Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you one of the most unique properties located within India. Even I wasn't very much aware about it until I was planning my trip to Jim Corbett. The name is Patlidun, as you can see. It's the Patlidun Safari Lodge. So this is basically located within Jim Corbett. When I say within Jim Corbett, yes, it is located within the forest itself. It's close to 10 to 15 kilometers away from the main city, located within the Ramnagar forest, and you cannot actually travel with a normal four-wheeler which you take from your from the place, but it is actually to be traveled as an off-road, which is the 4x4 car gypsy. Property is so unique that the various elements within the, like the rooms for example, or the different categories of cottages that they have will be named as as in the name of the Hindu calendar. Like we have the Fagan and all those names that I'm not very familiar, but you would relate when you come to the property and see. So it makes it more peculiar because it touches to the our Indian culture. And we are staying in a premium luxury cottage, which is what I will talk about in my video late in the later part of the video. But just to let you know that there is all the amenities available within this place, and it is actually in themed of wildlife, and there is no proper roads and all that you would see, and it will give you the feel of you're really living in a jungle. The people over here are wearing those kind of clothes, and the roads, if you see, they are like very rough road, and you need to be on your sports shoes when you're traveling within the property, because as I said, there are a lot of stones and pebbles that's coming on your way, and you will spot certain animals if you walk in the middle of the night, like the wild boar, and also you can spot some deers, and sometimes you can spot elephants too. So you need to be prepared for that, right? I'm enjoying my stay at Patlidan Safari, and this is the reception area. I'm going to talk more about the celebrities who have also visited this place and taken pictures over here. Another point I would like to call out that various celebrities have visited this property. Yes, like Vivek Oberoi, Jaya Parda, Shamila Tagore, the Dangal Girl, and the famous Anupama serials Gaurav Khanna and his wife. Then you can see Milind Soman, who is my favorite, all-time favorite. So yeah, so a lot of celebrities have visited it, and come here, I'll show you something interesting. Various cricketers also have visited this property. Amongst them, Suresh Raina is one of the famous. I know most of you would like his batting, so he has gifted his bat because he was so pleasured, and he enjoyed so much in this property that he gifted them his bat. As you can see, the name Brahma Kamal is actually the jungle spa which I had experienced this afternoon. It was really amazing. The massage over here is really different from the what you get in the 5 stars or in the normal cities. It's more high pressure massage. This is called a desi massage with the desi tadka that they add with their pressure points. But it was really relaxing, and I really enjoyed my massage. So let's see what there. Can see I was talking about the spa, so let's see what lies inside this jungle spa. So we have two wonderful people who does the spa for us. One is Bakul and one is Holika. So they kind of have the mini setup, like in such a difficult place. They have every amenity which is possible. You have a sauna here, and then you have 3 different massage rooms, and they'll do all the massages, Swedish, deep tissue, whatever we have in the 5 star spas, as well as they have a steam and a shower for in each of the massage rooms. So imagine how beautiful it is, and look at the view that you'll be having while you're getting massage. So I really enjoyed it, and whenever you visit this property, don't forget to get yourself a good massage, because you really get relaxed when you do that. Hello everyone, we have come to the lounge of Patlidun. This is a very calming place. They have made this place so calming by preserving some of the Indian art pieces, which if you can see around the room, there's a lot of art pieces which gives you calmness when you sit around. And I usually have my morning tea and evening coffee. I come here and sip on that and read certain books, because it's really amazing. The chirping sound of the birds and the calmness of the in the forest makes it even more wonderful. So whenever you visit this place, do come over here and spend some time. You can meditate over here. I did that for 20 minutes and it gave me an immense pleasure. It's located right on the top of the lobby, which is the reception, and you will really enjoy this calmness over here. Hello everyone. So in this property, they kind of have various spices, Indian spices and Indian vegetables and fruits that they grow in the property so that they can provide most of the food which is organic to their people who is coming in. So right now I'm standing near Elaichi, which is cardamom, and like that I'll be sharing a lot of other spices and vegetables and fruits pictures with you, like lemon, and there would be the curry leaves that we have, the neem, the sweet neem which is going to be there, and there are a lot of other pictures that I would be sharing in and showing you. So get ready for that. Hello everyone. Today we have come to Patlidoon's restaurant, which is called Risiya. Basically, it means rasoi in Pahari language. Here they serve the buffet lunch as well as dinner, and they have a la carte or a buffet system based on the occupancy of the hotel. And they serve. It's a multi cuisine restaurant, and they serve all sorts of cuisines. Today we tried North Indian. Yesterday we had a Pan Asian cuisine, and it is really yummy because you must try the chef's special dish, which is Bengan ka bharta, which I tried yesterday. It was yummy, and today we tried Semia Kheer, which was also good. Hello everyone, I have come to have snacks at Patlidoon, which is called High Tea in other places, and over here they call it Chai Pani. And as you can see, we have messed up the table with a lot of snacks over here. I'm really loving this place. You can see the person behind me who is making fresh tea, and he prepares amazing lemongrass and masala chai, which is my favorite. And the best part about this place is the desi feel. They have like we have in dhaba kind of setup. So they have those kind of couches and wonderful old music, old times, like I would call it 60s and 70s time music, which is my favorite. You'll hear a lot of Rafi and Kishore Kumar's beautiful old melodies, and you will really feel soothed and hello everyone. Let me show you a sneak peek of this cottage at the middle of the night. I'm like not very late in the night. It's like 8 o'clock. We are heading out towards our dinner, and as you can see, it really gives a feel of the jungle. I am a little scared too because, and that's why I'm carrying two torches with me when I'm walking with my little one. As I said, there are wild boars and also the snakes and the deers that can come out, and sometimes the elephant too. So I'm very scared and at the same time thrilled to do this walk. Hello everyone, welcome to our premium luxury cottage of Patlidoon. Uh, what can be better than having this tulsi ka paudha in the entrance of the your room? Let's enter the room. How beautifully this work has been done. It gives you the feeling of Indian heritage culture. This is the place where you can, this is a living room basically, and since our day of checkout, so things will be a little messed up, so bear with us. This is a little bonfire place wherein you can keep your wood when it is little chilled out, and there are certain books kept which you can read out, and they also give you a complimentary minibar which has couple of drinks. Now we have consumed most of the things, so you won't find anything, but they had soft drinks and then certain snacks, basically non-alcoholic stuff. And then this is a tea coffee maker. You can prepare your tea and coffee early morning, and so there is a separate, there is a separate washroom area. We'll see the main washroom ahead, but this is the separate washroom area which they have. Come, let's go to the main room. So this is the main room, which is completely messed up. As I said, this is the day of checkout, so bear with us. So this is the bed, and here we kind of sleep, and then you get a beautiful view of outside. They have a small plunge pool. If we go outside, so this is the view from outside of the, basically you can directly access to the plunge pool from your bedroom, and this is a place where you can sit out like a sunbed kind of a thing. in an Indian heritage style, and then there is a sunbed here as well. There is a separate sit out. So it's a very big lawn kind of a thing, which we call in Hindi angan. So it's quite long and huge. You can see it. There's a separate sit out area here. Um, since we're seeing the outside area, let's go ahead and see the sunbed. So I have never seen in any other properties that there is something called as a duplex kind of a setup, which is also like having a sunbed on top. So come, let's see. Wow, this is so beautiful, right? So in the middle of the forest, there is a sunbed on which you can lie down and then completely enjoy the beautiful view. So you can view the sun rising, the sun setting, the beautiful hills around, and you get nice breeze over here and beautiful feel of the village. Wow, isn't it? So there are monkeys around the property here as well. So we kind of keep it closed and locked from inside. Come, such a huge washroom, isn't it? Look at the bathtub, especially the kind of metal that's been used to give it a complete Indian, village kind of a, or maybe I would say the for jungle kind of a feel. So they have used a different metal here, and there's a separate washroom here as well. So this is the bathing area, and here you can keep your stuff, and then there is a wardrobe, there is a rest